you ever think what you can become? Hello friends, this is Yundel. This is just a share, a reminder to each and every one of us as I am sharing from the book of Luke 19:6-7. This is the story of Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus was despised tax collector known for cheating people. He was the chief tax collector, the worst one. Everyone considered him a crook. The religious people didn't think God would have anything to do with him, but God doesn't judge the way we judge. We see people as they are, but God says what they can become. So how about you? Have you ever think what you can become? You can become the desire from your heart. You will follow it. You can make it. You can become who you want to become according to your will and desires. We see people as they are, but God sees what they can become. We see the mess, but God sees the treasure. God sees the miracle. When Zacchaeus heard that Jesus was passing by, something came alive inside. Even though Zacchaeus was doing wrong, God, in His great mercy, began to draw him. Zacchaeus felt deep longing to see Jesus, no matter how many mistakes or failures you made. That you have to think that you can become more than you think. God never writes anyone off. He still has purpose for your life. He is living what He wants you to live and follow His purpose. Because we all have a purpose in life. What you've done in the past doesn't stop what God has planned. Sometimes religion tries to make you feel as though you're not worthy. Don't believe those lies. God is calling in your life. He's calling on your life. You can still become who you were created to be. You can still become who you want to become. You must just decide the right thing for you. But the key to all these things, you have to be grateful, thanking God that you can change your life, thanking God that He will lead you to the right path. Thank you that even though you know everything about me, you still invite me to come to your house for dinner and bring the gift of salvation in my life. Thank you that it's not about what I have done or not done, but it's about your mercy and love. Welcome to the house as Jesus, as Zacchaeus, to join a dinner with Him. So do not judge. The point of this, that we can all become who we want us to become. We are only looking for a surface of a person. We are not looking what is inside of the person. So do not judge. You don't know what God have created in their life. You don't know what God's plan for their life. Do not judge. Think that you can become who you want to become by the grace of God. So don't worry what other people have to say about you. Don't worry what they sow in you, because you are His child. He will lead you to correct the failure. He will lead you to the right path He has prepared for you. Like Zacchaeus. Zacchaeus became a good man. God didn't judge him. He invited him for dinner to be with him. And by that, Zacchaeus changed completely his life and become a good person. That is the point of that. We're not going to judge others the way we can look at them. No, don't judge them according to their face and posture. No, you don't know what God had planned for them. So it is the same with your life. Think you can become who you want to become when you are going to decide to do the right thing, to keep doing the right thing according to God's purpose. This is Yundel. Thank you for listening. Thank you for stopping here in my channel. I am very grateful to each and every one of you. I love you all and bye-bye.